Wiggum Otter here with a send and proof video for Joe Z of, well, crap, I don't have that screen in front of me. Joe Z of California. Joe, this is the console that you sent in. As you can see up here, it's a Trinity. We RGH'd it using the Matrix V1, doing the muffin install technique. That has resulted in, as you can see, really nice fast boot times. We did the red LEDs. It's only got the 4 gigs in it, so we did go ahead and pre-install Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XCX Menu, and Aurora Dash. However, you may want to copy those off to your hard drive or USB, whatever you end up using long term. Be sure to check out the video links in your final proof video email, as there's a link to a playlist that has coverage for about everything you could want to do on an RGH, as well as to a little link to a video of mine to give you a high level how to navigate between the various tools we've preloaded. But as you can see, it started up into Freestyle Dash. Your backup disk is inside the paper sleeve here. So you're all set, man. We'll get this thing shipped out back to you tomorrow, and you should probably have it by, let's see, tomorrow will be Friday. It's like Tuesday, worst case, maybe Monday. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Thanks.